Ladies, let's talk about sleep and some of the misconceptions and the myths that I hear every day from my menopausal clients in the clinic. They think that they can cheat sleep. They think that their symptoms, their unwanted menopause symptoms like being wired and tired and frazzled and accidentally overweight, is completely unrelated to the fact that they're waking up four or five times a night. Ladies, it's not normal to wake up 4 or 5 times a night. It is your body whispering, and I say that your body whispers a long time before it starts to shout. So if you're experiencing overwhelm and you're wired and you're frazzled and your body feels like it's completely alien to you and you are tired and irritable, then I really encourage you to look at your menopause in a completely different way and begin to support your body in a different way with proactive and profound self-care. Now, what that looks like when you come to see me, it goes beyond nutritional advice. Okay, as a nutritionist, I'm going to support you in working out the foods that you need to be eating for this phase in your life. But it goes beyond that. I look at all the lifestyle factors, and sleep is a massive one. And one of the techniques that I use to help women to feel calm and relaxed and more grounded in their body is the aroma touch technique. The aroma touch technique is layering 28 of the most beautiful, pure, potent essential oils on the planet, 8 different blends, all designed to support the organs and the different parts of the body. So on the back and the head and the shoulders and the feet, I use oils that support the parasympathetic nervous system. So we're going to, it's actually going to reduce your cortisol levels. And cortisol and adrenaline have a huge impact on our hormones and a huge impact on our serotonin and a huge impact on the way we sleep. So we introduce these oils beautifully to support the lymphatic system, to support the immune system, and get you feeling vibrant and blissful and healthy and energized. And the whole goal is to help you feel like you did when you were in your 30s. So you're fitter and healthier and stronger as you get older, as opposed to feeling completely alien in your body. I've got a clinic in Minchinhampton. I would love to see you ladies here. Come and support yourself and feel supported in a complete different way. Let's move you closer towards dreaming of that perfect night's sleep where you don't wake up 4 or 5 times a night, where you're feeling calm and relaxed and rejuvenated and fulfilled, and you're loving your body again. I'd love to see you here. Thanks for watching.